Getting an error of missing the Cygwin iconv-2 library DLL file doesn't have to mean a full system reset. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the expert way to replace it safely. To kick off the Cygwin iconv-2 library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Cygwin iconv-2 library, the character set conversion library for the Cygwin environment. It provides the POSIX-compatible iconv routines required for Linux-based scripts to run on Windows. If missing, Cygwin-based tools like Git or Bash will fail with a module not found error, effectively breaking the localized Linux on Windows subsystem. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This issue is typically resolved by refreshing the Cygwin Project installation. Download the x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables directly from Microsoft and run the setup to repair the runtime. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Cygwin iconv-2 library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Most individual downloads of Cygwin iconv-2 library DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing Cygwin iconv-2 library dependencies. To support our technical team and receive updates on Cygwin iconv-2 library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.